imagine creating a role-specific reference check template that really verifies your candidate's skills with a trusted third party that is the referee, and doing it all in less than 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, let's jump into it. So I'm here in the RefHub portal, I'm in the questionnaires section. I'm going to click on build new template. I'm going to select generate AI and I'm going to hit create. What it's going to do is ask me what industry we're hiring for. So in this case, I'm going to go with aged care, and I'm going to say we are recruiting for a personal care worker. And I'm going to select this one as a professional reference, and I'm going to click next. What it's going to do is generate me a list of core competencies. These are like themes for our reference check, and you can select the ones that are specific to the role that you are recruiting for. So you can see here it's generated. So things like provides companionship and emotional support to residents. So I'll go ahead and select that is important to me. Demonstrate cultural sensitivity and respect for all residents. As you can see, these core competencies may or may not be relevant for the specific job that you're hiring for. So things like food handling may be important for you, or they may not be touching food at all, so you wouldn't want to include that in the specific reference check template. So I'm going to go ahead and select a bunch of these ones, and I'll hit build template. One thing to note is we can just paste in the job description and it will give you even better results. So I'll hit build template, and in a couple of seconds we'll have a role specific reference check template ready to go. It's important to note that we aren't just calling ChatGPT here. We've built a custom model that's been HR, diversity and inclusion trained, so you know the results are going to be absolutely perfect. Here we are. So, did candidate full name provide emotional support and companionship to residents? How would you rate the candidate's ability to demonstrate cultural sensitivity and respect for all residents? Super important. As you can see, there's 10 questions here, all of which are absolutely great. However, if I did want to go and modify these ones, I can hit the little pencil and I can go ahead and amend these questions. I can also do things like including the referee's name for more personalization. I can include the candidate's prior role if I want to ask specific questions about their prior role. And you've also got access to the full suite of question library. So we can drop in additional questions if you want to, and we can even drop in headings and paragraphs if we want to add an additional note to the referee. That's it for today. Go and try our AI template builder. It's going to absolutely revolutionize the way that you create reference checks. Thanks very much for watching. Go give it a try. It's in RefHub now.